So this is actually the length of my hair. Before it was on my nose and now it's on my lips. So as you can see, just watch this video to the end to see how I make this hair mask. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will show you how to make this mask. First ingredient we'll be needing is avocado. Avocado promotes hair growth, moisturizes our hair, and also prevents dandruff. Avocado is rich in potassium and magnesium. They seal the cuticle seal, which will help our hair look smooth and shiny, and also prevent it from breaking. Then banana. Banana conditions your hair and replenish damaged hair, making your strands soft and bouncy. The next ingredient we'll be needing is fenugreek. Fenugreek prevents premature gray hair and also promotes hair growth, fights dandruff and reduces hair fall, and also make your hair shiny. So you see, the combination of all this is going to make your hair grow extremely. So I have blended everything together. I used 1 handful of fenugreek seed. So you have to sieve it because you can't put this chaff into your hair also. So I transferred it into my application bottle for easy application. So now I'm going to apply it on my hair. So as you can see me doing, I've already applied it on one section of my hair. I'm going to be showing you how I apply it on this section of my hair. So you just have to apply it gently the way I'm doing now. You just have to apply it gently, make sure it saturates all your hair. Massage it into your scalp. So now you can see how soft and bouncy the hair looks. I don't use comb, I just use my finger to detangle it. So you have to leave the hair to sit on your shower cap for 1 hour. Me, I left mine more than 1 hour because I was busy. So after the 1 hour, you wash it out. And yeah, I've washed it out. So as you can see my hair shrinkage. So now I'm going to add my leave-in conditioner, my contour shea butter leave-in conditioner. This is what I will be applying on my hair. Actually, my hair is longer than this. I'm just going to cut out my hair and show you the length of my hair. It's just shrinkage will make my hair look as if it's short. So before I have my hair on my nose, but now it's on my lip. Note, this mask did not make me grow this 1 inch or 2 inches. I don't know. It was the potassium style I did that helped me retain this length. You see the way it bounced back. So now I'm just also going to add my shea cream. I know I promised to make that video, and I'm still going to make the video. So stay tuned for that shea video. So this is one of my easiest style that I normally do on my hair, especially a lazy day when I'm tired. I can't just focus on this hair. I'll just style my hair like this, and it's done. Very easy style to do. So as you can see, my edges. Oh. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button down there and press the notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new video. And also please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Now unto him that is able to do exceeding abundantly above all that we ask or think, according to the power that worketh in us. Ephesians 3:20.